Okay, first time doing a fireworks mission, so I'm supposed to deliver some rich people across the galaxy. Well, a few rich people and some people who can't afford proper rooms. Let's see, give them a good view. Yeah, you pay a lot, you usually serve to right out front. Yep, get a good view there. That's good. One more here. Perfect. I'm the architect. You can go. Nah, you're too cheap to buy a good room. You get nothing, mate. You're looking at the back of the ship. Yeah, that's the one. That's a bit good. Okay. Yeah, you can look at the exhaust. Enjoy the view, cheap asses. How many rooms are there? What the hell? What is this? Oh god, maybe. Yeah, look at each other. Pervs. Power supply. Oh, perfect. Damn, I'm the architect. Let's go. Let's do this thing. I'm off on my journey. Don't worry, guys. The what? You need power? Jeez, so fussy. What the hell already? Power. There you go.
Consider it done.
Yep, you're welcome.
Right away.
Maybe that's where I've been going wrong all this time. I've been shooting at them. Maybe if I just come in peace, they will leave me alone. Yeah.
Right away.
Maybe. What? I'm out of money already?
Thruster ready to burn.
God. Maybe all I need is speed. Yeah, that's the one. Maybe if I go fast enough, I'll run everything.
Just not logical.
Come on. Yep, that's the one. Oh, hi. I come in peace. Yeah, that works. That's where I've been going wrong. I've been shooting at them first. Oh, jeez. That's great. You see? If you just come in peace, no one's gonna shoot at you. What? Is this for real? I can't believe it. Yeah, that's right. We're all friends here, mate. No need to fight. This is. Yeah, that's. I'll just blast along. Big ass. Wait, hey, hang on a minute. This red line seems to be going straight through my ship. Is there a way of speed?
Right away.
I need speed. Come on. No, stay there.
Thruster ready to burn.
Oh shit. What? I just sped up. Why aren't I getting out of the way, man? But Scotty, I need more power. What the? This game is unrealistic. I'm speeding up. God damn it. Hey, got some money.
Thruster ready to burn.
Destroying the asteroid. Need more power. Can't believe this is actually working. You don't shoot at you if you don't shoot first. I've been so wrong all this time. Just give me money. Yep, that's the one.
You got it.
Hey, what?
Ready to burn.
Hey, wait, hang on a minute. Oh, it's okay, just shoot at my human shield. Don't shoot at my bridge. Don't shoot at me, just shoot at human shield. That's the one. Yeah, shoot them, I don't care. Repair. Oh, God, I can't repair that. Are they gonna shoot at me? Probably not. I wouldn't worry about it. Dee-dee. Is that supposed to happen? What is going on? Hey, 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 hey! Shoot one thing at a time, mate.
Critical, but wow, that was bad.
God damn it! What the? Stop shooting at me! God damn it! No more space. Just get the hell. Oh god, I can't move this. Just stop shooting, for God's sake. Repair. Yeah, repair that as well. Oh, come on. I know, but break. Maybe I can get out of the way. Break.
Don't look
No,
this way,
no. I did the. Oh.